A young boy demised in a road accident on Sunday at Jalabasa Patartila in the Panisagar subdivision. Police officials rushed to the spot after being informed of the incident. Reports indicate that Talchung Bung Halam, son of the late Dibjoy Halam from Dungangu, was on his way to his in-laws' house in Balukchora under the Damchora ID block on a bike wearing registration number TR02A6525. When he reached the area near the Kunjang Nagar Alok Sangha Club, he was involved in an accident with a 12-wheeler lorry. The youth riding the bike died on the spot. Sources report that a 12-wheeler lorry has been seized and taken to the Panisagar police station. Upon receiving such news, police officials and fire service rushed to the scene. The Panisagar Police Administration is investigating the said road accident. Pure Report, Chinikhona.